What you are looking at now is called a carousel. Basically, it's a window that switches images. Creating a working carousel requires help from JavaScript or jQuery, but today we'll only focus on the HTML and CSS parts. In our previous lessons, we've challenged your skills by asking you to move a div to the center of the browser using two different methods. In this lesson, you'll need knowledge learned from that lesson. Therefore, a review is recommended. First, let's do a project analysis so that we can have a clear idea of what we should do. At first glance, the carousel is made up of three parts: the image and two buttons. The two buttons are displayed on top of the image. As a front-end programmer, you should be able to see the invisible part. The invisible part here is the parent div, housing the image and two buttons. The challenge is how to locate the two buttons. In the future, whenever you see similar situations, the most likely solution will usually be absolute position. This is our coding design. First, we create a parent div and put both the image and the two buttons into it. The size of the parent div is the same as the image. Therefore, its vertical center will overlap the image's vertical center. Then we set the two buttons to absolute position and the parent div to relative position. The parent div is now the reference object of the two buttons. In the end, we move the two buttons to the vertical center of the parent div using top 50% and margin top minus their half height. Take a photo of this guideline. You might find it useful when writing the codes yourself.